Here in number 18, we are asked to find how high is a tree if, here's what we know, a 25-foot shadow, all right, the tree casts a 25-foot shadow at the same time a 5-foot post casts a shadow that's 4 feet high. Let's draw a picture of maybe what's going on here. Here's the ground, right? So I'll draw the ground in here. There's the ground. And then we've got this tree. There's a tree. And this is what we want to know is how high is this tree? I'll let H be for high. Now, the tree casts a shadow. You know, maybe the sun's out here, right? The sun's out here. And we know this, that it's going to cast a shadow that, here's the shadow, and the shadow is 25 feet. But that happens at the same time there's this post here. Here's a post, and the post is 5 feet high, and it casts a shadow that's 4 feet. So once we draw the picture, you can probably get an idea of what we're going to do. We're going to say that this height is to that base as this height is to that base. All right, here's one way to do this. So I'm going to write that H is to 25 as 5 is to 4. I'm doing it this way. The tree height is to the tree shadow, as to the post height is to the post shadow. Now if I continue on and do this, I'm going to get 4H equals 25 times 5. I'll get 4H is 125, and then I have to divide that by 4. So 125 divided by 4 is 31.25. So I'll get H equals 31.25. So we could claim that the height of the tree is 31.25 feet. Now, here's just another way that we could have done this. What we did was the height of the tree to the shadow of the tree. The height of the post to the shadow of the post. What if we did this? The height of the tree to the height of the post. All right, so I'm going to try that one now. So I'm going to do the height of the tree to the height of the post is to, what? Now I've got, what if I got on top here? I've got the height of the tree. So I got height up here, and then I got the shadow. No, I've got heights on this side, right? Height is to height. Tree height is to post height, as this should be what? Tree shadow is to post shadow, right? Tree height is to post height, as tree shadow, 25, is to post shadow. If you multiply, cross multiply, right, we get 4H equals 5 times 25. We're in the same place. 4H equals 125. H equals 31.25 feet. That's supposed to be feet. Let me erase that. That's a big mess. 31.25 feet. So it doesn't matter how you set it up. You'll end up with the same thing at the end.